I wanted to let you know that I'm working on a free PDF template which will have tips to complete a 30-day art challenge. The template also comes with a planner, so please sign up to receive the template in your inbox. The link is in the description below. And now let's dive into our topic. Whether you are a budding or an experienced artist, you need a website to show your portfolio or an online shop where people can buy your art. We now live in a digital world where an online presence is a must. You might share and sell your work on Facebook, Instagram, Fine Art America, Etsy, etc. But these are all social media platforms which should complement and not replace your own website. Having a website is the most effective way to market your work, build a brand, and sell your work. Setting up a website or an online shop seems to be daunting because traditionally we associate building websites to be done by software developers. We perceive building websites to be technical. It is true, it is technical, but these days there are so many different platforms where you don't have to be technical. Some of the examples are WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify, but the platform I'm going to talk about only caters to artists. Are you ready for it? Here we go. I discovered Faso in 2021 and believe it or not, I created my own website monafreyart.com in under 2 hours using Faso's platform. It is sufficient for my present needs. It promotes my brand, my workshops, and also serves as an online store. I can also send newsletters using Faso's platform. It is mobile friendly and is used by famous artists like Jeremy Lipking, Mian Situ, KK Tanabe, and many more. We artists are not technical people. We want to invest our time in creating rather than figuring out the technicalities. If you are an artist looking to build a brand, sell your work, and be in control of your website, Faso is a good option because of their intuitive interface. And when I say be in control of your website, I mean you can add or remove your artwork yourself. You're not dependent on someone else. Now I'll take you to my computer to show you how easy it is to use this platform. So I type in faso.com. So this is the platform. And they have an offer right now. You can try their platform for free for 60 days without giving your credit card details away. I'm scrolling down to see their templates. There are multiple templates to choose from. I use Soroya. That's the look and feel of Soroya, and if you go to my website monafreyart.com, you can get a feel of this template. You can choose whichever template you prefer. They have different plans for their services. You can choose to pay monthly or annually. I'm on a silver plan. With Faso, you also get a free domain. You don't have to worry about hosting or the security of your website. They take care of everything. They also have a fully integrated e-commerce for silver, gold, and platinum members, which means you can sell your work through their art platform. So these were the features of Faso. Now let's sign up and see the steps ahead. When you click on sign up, it says no credit card required and it's free for 30 days. However, while recording the voiceover, I saw they were giving 60 days free. So this might change in future, and I'm making this video in December 2022. After I filled this form, it says to check your email now. I've received an email to verify my account. After it's verified, it sends me another email which says I can start adding artwork to my site. They have customer service available from Monday to Friday. They are a US-based company. I click on add artwork and it takes me to Faso's backend where the magic happens. This is going to be your only page you will be interacting with. This is very user-friendly and easy to understand. Take a few minutes to read and go through different fields. The first step on this page is to click on activate account, which is on the top left corner. And you can register your domain, which means you can personalize your website at no additional cost. Example, my name is Mona Frey and my website is monafreyart.com. They also secure your website from hackers. I'm not going to activate since I already have an account. I'll show you what happens when you activate. So that's my Faso account. On the right is my name. I click on your account and it takes me to the backend interface which we just saw. Let's start from home. So this is the home page. Let's go to the second tab, preview. And that's the preview of my website, which will open in another tab. Let's move further to artwork. And this is the place where I can see all my artwork, which is available on my online shop. It's categorized under collections. Example, I have made 5 collections for my artwork, landscapes, portraits, still life, etc. And this is how it appears on my website. A separate category for my artwork. Let's see what happens when someone buys your work. Let's go to landscapes. I click on snow in January. Click on add to cart. And then go to checkout. The buyer has an option of paying through PayPal or with a credit card. Let's go back to the platform and check social media. You can add all your social media channels here. And that's how it appears on the website. Okay, now let's go back to the platform again. I'm clicking on home and the left panel is your navigation bar. Let's go to about section, and this is the place where you can enter everything about yourself. This is just like a Word document. You can make edits anytime. This is how it appears on the website. I'm going to exit without saving. You can edit this navigation bar as well. Consider your navigation bar as different pages on your website. It's the main structure of your website. You have an option of rearranging by simple drag and drop. Faso has a lot of marketing tools and articles. You can go through these here. Commerce section is really important because you need to enable PayPal and Stripe here. With Stripe, you can take credit card payments. Okay, and don't get confused with images section. Images are not your artwork. These are images which appear in other places on the website. Example, in workshop section, etc. For example, here on my workshop page. These are images and not my artwork. I still use my Gmail account to access my art emails. You do have an option of taking your domain specific email ID. You can even start a blog and start writing articles. I don't have a blog. You can name your pages with whatever you want to call them. Example, I named this page frequently asked questions. And that's how it appears on my website. if you get stuck and want to chat with someone, this is where you go. Just go to faso.com, click on the bottom right red circle, and this is where you chat. Type in whatever you want to ask, and trust me, when I was setting up my website, I had many questions. They replied to me quite quickly. Just remember, they work from Monday through Friday. Now, I do want to mention that if you sell digital products, Faso has workarounds and can help you integrate with Gumroad or other platforms. Their inbuilt newsletter option is not automated, and for this reason, they have an integration with MailChimp. If you're looking to build an online course, Faso can help you integrate with platforms like Kajabi or Teachable. Hope this was helpful. By the way, Faso is not sponsoring this video. However, if you do sign up using the link below, I get a small commission with no additional charge to you. It just helps me support my channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know what do you think of Faso. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, the link for the free PDF template is below. See you soon.